हेलो फ्रेंड्स, योर एकेडमिक सर्विसेज प्राइवेट लिमिटेड में आपका स्वागत है।
Hello friends, we will be learning about the circle now. For the circle, I'm taking a sketch in the top plane, and now there are two kind of circles. Number one is a center circle. Center circle is the one that is controlled by a center in this way, and the second one is a perimeter circle. To understand the perimeter circle, I'm drawing two lines to generate 3 points. These are 3 points, point number 1, point number 2 and point number 3. If I use the perimeter circle, I can make a circle that passes all these 3 points, number 1, number 2 and point number 3, this way. So this is our perimeter circle. Now I will be using the center circle for our current set of part, the drawing. This is a bolt. For this bolt, and this part is a cylindrical portion of the part. To generate this part, actually I have to make this whole part in 2 steps, in 2 features. First of all, I will generate this portion from here to here, and so the diameter of this portion is 0.25 mm. So I am taking a circle, a center circle with the diameter of 0.25 mm. I'm taking its dimension as 0.25 mm. I can also take the dimension in inches. If I press this way, I can take it in inches, or I can also take it in feet. This one for the feet. Okay, anyhow, I'm taking this it just in mm. This one. Now the 2D sketch is complete. We have to extrude it out using the extrude command. And before the extrude command, I want to tell you, for any kind of sketch which is symmetric, we have to align that sketch around the center. We have to put the center of that sketch on the origin. The benefit of that is that we can easily point out the midpoint of the whole diagram very easily. This one, next I'm going to put the extrude. So the extrude is the length of this circle is 1.30. This cylinder is 1.30. So I'm taking this as 1.3. This has been completed. The next step is to put a hexagonal shape, this one or this one. The thickness of this shape is 0.1 mm, and the distance between this face and this face, or we may say the distance between the parallel faces, is 0.5 mm. So we can learn our next command also here. For that, I have to pick up this point. I have clicked the left button of my mouse, and as soon as I have clicked the left button, there have appeared 2 icons. This one is a sketch, it's for a new sketch, and this one is the edit sketch. This one is for editing the previous sketch. I can either edit the previous sketch from here, or I can get it from here. This is sketch number 5, and I'm editing the sketch. For example, edit sketch. I've opened the sketch, and if I want to change any dimension, suppose I want to make it 0.5 mm, so I can do that, but I am destroying that. 0.25 mm. Completing the sketch. One thing I also want to tell you, once I have completed this, I have done with the sketch, I have to complete the sketch from here. If I use this one, it means the changes will be saved, and if I don't use this one, I use this one, this close, this would ask you discard changes and exit, which means that whatever you have done with the current opening of the sketch, that will not be saved. So this one is here. So I'm clicking on this face, and the edit sketch, the new sketch has can be taken from here. If I click on this face, this is a round face, not a plane face. I can see, you can see that I can only edit the sketch, but can't generate a new sketch here because it's not a plane face. So I'm clicking here and taking a new sketch. So my next sketch will be operating here. Now I am pressing the space button of my keyboard. As soon as I pressed my space button, a window prompts up here. I can see the part from many faces. Suppose this one is the front, again pressing, this one is the top, again pressing it, this one is the side, again this one is the bottom, but I have to make it normal as per the sketch. Now it's normal to the sketch plane which I have chosen. So now we will be shifting to another command. This is a polygon, equal side polygon. Now in a hexagonal nut there are 6 sides, but if I want to take 5 sides or 8 sides, suppose I am taking 8 sides and clicking OK. So choosing its center, I can generate the octagon. So this one, but I actually do need the hexagon, so I'm clicking here and putting here 6, clicking at the center this way. Now as we have already seen, the distance between this face and this face, the parallel faces, is 0.5 mm. So I'm taking that distance, this one and this one, going here 0.5. This one is over. Our sketch is complete. Now we will be extruding it. Let's see what's the thickness of this hexagonal part. This is 0.2 mm, so I'm using that 0.2 mm, clicking OK. The part is finished. Thanks for watching.